Welcome back to my channel Tech and Art. Hope you guys doing good. Today we will talk about the SQL Server jobs maintenance task. So I'm going to share you guys with one of the best query actually which can help you the day-to-day activities. So please watch the complete video, and whoever newly joined our channel, please like to subscribe and don't forget to share with others. Okay, you can check the playlist of SQL Server DBA. You will get more than 160 videos which can help you all the day-to-day activities. I have covered a couple of interview questions also. You can go with that. If you are getting help, please share with others also. So normally when you have a lot of jobs configured on a particular instance, so you should have a query with handy to get the details for all the jobs in one shot. Although we have a GUI option, so you can schedule a own jobs, own maintenance task for those checks actually, and you can create a report. If you are an expert in queries, you can create a report based on these queries. You need to add some value, and then you can create a good report, and you can convert in HTML also, and you can schedule an email also as well. For that you need to do some more work, but I'm going to share you right away this query. You will get in a description which can help you whatever the jobs configured on an particular instance. You will get the details. Let me execute this query, then you will identify what you are getting. So once you execute this query, you will get the job names, okay, whatever the jobs is configured on a particular instance, and it will show you the run status 1. So if it is success, then it will show you the 1, the duration of the jobs, how much times it's taken to complete, and the date. Okay, so you can send this output file through the email. For that you need to do some more work, okay, but this query if you keep in handy, so if n number of jobs is scheduled on a particular instance, you can within a second you can extract the reports. Okay, so hope you got the point what I'm trying to say. I will share this query to description. You can also keep it with you, and whenever it's required you can use it. If you are getting help, please like to subscribe. That's it for today. We'll meet you soon.